Alright, what's going on YouTube? It's your boy B-Dot back with another quick video. I was out here trying out this new lavalier mic. As you can see, all this damn wire and shit. I did about 4 minutes into this video and I went to go check it and it wasn't even recording, so I gotta do it over again. I hate doing shit over, so now I just put my Rode mic up on here now. So today I wanted to get into a quick unboxing from Artius Man. As you guys know, I've been using Artius Man for almost a year now. I love everything about this company. They use some of the better essential oils in all of their products. Their products really stand out over a lot of different beer oil companies that are out here right now. The good thing about Artius Man, all of their products stand out. You know, if you guys are using Artius Man, you know that whenever they put out a beard oil, beard wash, or a beard balm, it definitely stands out. It's in a league of its own. So they reached out to me and was like, hey, you know, we got an IPA beard oil, beard balm, and beard wash. So we want to send you out some products, see how you like it. Okay, cool. Well, I'm on my IPA thing right now. As you guys can see, I'm sipping on some Sierra Nevada hazy little thing right here. This is the Artius Man IPA beard oil. And they also sent me out the IPA beard wash. This is a 1 ounce bottle and a 1 ounce beard oil. It smells exactly like an IPA beer. If you guys are on this craft beer tip and you love IPA beers, this smells exactly like the hop aroma. Smell like grapefruit to me. You guys know I'm not a scientific guy, so I won't get into all the scientific of what makes it smell like that, but just like regular old dudes like me, IPA beer smells like grapefruit. As soon as you pop that can or that bottle and pour it in your glass, and that first sip, that first smell you get, to me it's like a grapefruit. Very hoppy, to me grapefruity. So I knew once I got this, I already knew what smell that it was gonna pretty much give me. Yep. And of course, when you're dealing with a company like Artius Man, they're gonna knock it out the park. I have done several videos on Artius Man. I'm always gonna keep it real with you guys and let you know some of the best things to go out here and buy for your beard. And Artius Man is definitely one of them. I mean, their Citrus Fire Midnight Ride, that's a really, really good one. I also have a long cut from them. Smells like a Skoal chewing tobacco, very spearminty, almost just like that chew. But everything, every name that they put on their bottles, it's gonna smell exactly like that. Citrus Fire smells like oranges and a campfire. You know what I'm saying? It's like spot on every time. Every scent profile that they bring out, they nail it. You know what I'm saying? Their essential oils are not some little cheap essential oils. They use some of the better essential oils for all their products. You know, I come from the hair care products back in the day. You guys know I've done videos on me going from using women's hair care products in my beard to strictly beard care products. And that's what I'm on right now. So when I say a lot of these oils smell the same, it's because in my mind I got that scent profile from those women hair products, conditioners for your hair, or your Palmer's hair smoothie I used to use all the time. You know, coconut, mango-y, a chemically kind of smell, some shea butter, some cocoa butter. You know, that kind of smell is what I get from a lot of different beer companies. No matter what the scent profile says, I'm sort of going to get that oily kind of smell of that hair product, and I don't really like that smell. Now, will I use it? Yeah, I'll use it for my nighttime routine, or I'm in a rush taking my son somewhere. My daughter got something to do, let me throw some on my beard real fast, get something going, I'm out the door. But when it's time to do something like going out, or a special occasion, or just really want to feel like I got something in my beard, I'm going to some of my better beard companies. You guys know I mess with Artius Man, the Bearded Bastard, Boss Man Jelly Beard Oil, and it's a lot of other ones that are coming up right now that I really like Detroit Grooming Company. You guys know I like Chin Check as well. Detroit Grooming Company has some really, really good butters, man. Some really good smelling butters. I'm all about the smell. If you guys know anything about me and my videos, I won't get scientific about much, but I'm all about not putting no bullshit in your beard. You know, put something in your beard that's gonna smell good. Put a couple drops in my hand. Man, smell exactly like you just opened up a IPA craft beer. Once again, they're spot on with their scent profiles. I mean, I don't know how they do it, and I'm sure none of us will ever know, They're not going to give up their special recipes, but every scent profile that they put on their bottles is going to smell exactly like that. So I'll give them kudos for that because they're really good at what they do. There's a lot of other companies out there doing really good things, so this is no knock on nobody else, but Artius Man from day one has never let me down. Now this is their beard wash. This is also a 1 ounce. Yep, smells exactly like the beard oil. Yeah, so I'm out here at the park again, man. Another beautiful day in Michigan. See, I got my goblue on right now, so we rocking out with the goblue football season right around the corner. Stay tuned. I know Dan C, I know you watching. Come on down to the stadium when they got their first game. We can get it in. Must be some sewage out here or something. Something smell like ass. So again, it's the IPA beard oil from Artius Man and the IPA beard wash. They have an Instagram, they have a website, so I'll post all those links down below. And I also have I think I might have either a free shipping code or a 10 or 20% off code, so I'll put that down below as well. So I hope you guys had a great weekend. Today is Sunday. Hopefully I can get this video posted later on tonight. As always, thanks for all the continued support. Continue to like, comment, and subscribe on the videos, and I'll holler back. Peace. Let me climb up these bleachers. That's cinematic shit right there. That's cinematic, baby.